For nearly 75 years, Best Western Hotels and Resorts has been an industry leader in providing clean, well-maintained hotel accommodations for our valued guests. As the world began to grapple with the COVID-19 pandemic, we were among the first in the industry to roll out standards and best practices to enhance our cleaning protocols. And now we are elevating our cleaning practices to an even higher level with the launch of We Care Clean. This program is based upon guidance provided by the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, the World Health Organization, and Health Canada. When you stay with us, some changes will be visible, such as the installation of social distancing floor decals, hand sanitizing station, masks, and other personal protective equipment. While other changes you can rest assured are taking place behind the scenes, such as the enforcement of heightened and comprehensive cleanliness standards using CDC guidelines. The We Care Clean program addresses 5 key areas in our hotels. At the front desk and lobby, we're minimizing contact with a streamlined check-in and check-out process, adherence to social distancing measures, removing excess items, and increasing sanitation points and procedures throughout the hotel. All aspects of the guest room are cleaned with enhanced disinfectants, and unnecessary items have been removed. We recognize breakfast is important to you, as it is to us as well. We're offering grab-and-go, pre-packaged food and beverage, or a served breakfast where applicable. Recreation and fitness is important. Our facilities are cleaned on closely monitored schedules, and sanitizing stations will be available for guests and staff. Hotel employees are using personal protective equipment, cleaning and disinfecting regularly at workstations behind the scenes, and following all recommended health and safety protocols. These are challenging times for all of us, but I'm so proud of our hotel owners for the efforts they have made to provide a clean and safe home away from home for our valued guests and employees. Our commitment to providing our guests a safe, clean, and comfortable stay is simple. It's because we care.